Happy 50th birthday, Ate Jo! We love you!
Happy Golden Years, Jo! Wishing you love, happiness, syempre, good health. Uya lang akong permi, ara mo yan, man gaba go. Anyways, enjoy your special day. Ingat ka lang, baad isang la kabigla ni Sani ha. Happy birthday!
Happy golden birthday, Jo, and a happy new year. More years to celebrate.
Hi, Jo. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And of course, today is your special day. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you the best always. Good health, more wealth, and more happy years with Sunny and your family. Hope you enjoy your birthday today. Happy birthday again. Miss you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Jo, kamusta? Happy 50th birthday. Yay! Welcome to the club. I just want you to know that maski may kitang communication sometimes, know that I'm still a friend. I wish you good health, more power. God bless you and your family. Happy New Year na din. See you. Mwah.
Hi, Jo! Happy birthday, golden girl!
Mads, happy birthday! Dayaw ka, sabi mo, dito ka mapabayli ka sa plaza. Anyway, Mads, happy birthday! Enjoy ka sa countdown mo nitong 31. Birthday pa niya ni Sab. Happy birthday, Buddha. Happy New Year.
Happy birthday!
Sana sa New Year na maabot, mas lalong maging sweet yan ibahan ninyo ni Paring Sani. Si Paring Sani sigurado umagana pa yan. Re, para pag-usog, basta alam na, gana na. Happy birthday!
Happy New Year!
Joanne, it's your golden birthday today. Aram ko na yan edad mo nagdagdag na. Pero, mantinilo pa man siyempre ang imong beauty. Siyempre, alaga ka ni Kagawad Sani, wala napapalibutan ka ng mga bata mong mga gagayon, wala mga matitibay. I wish na pero ka sanang happy. May God's endless blessings light up your life. Today, your special day, and forever. Happy 50th birthday.